In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Base44 project. Whether you're tidying up old projects or simply decluttering your workspace, removing a project that you no longer need can be a straightforward task. Follow along, and we'll walk through the process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to your preferred search engine. Once you're there, type in Base44 to find the official website. When the search results appear, locate the official Base44 site and click on the link to access the platform. Once you're on the Base44 homepage, look for a button or link that says Start Building. You'll typically find this option prominently displayed, as it's designed to encourage users to dive right into their projects. Click on this, and it will take you to the login page. Next, you'll need to log into your Base44 account. Enter your credentials carefully. Double-check your username and password to avoid any login issues. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage your various projects and settings. From your dashboard, locate the Settings option. This section is often situated on a side menu or under a drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Clicking on Settings will grant you access to a range of configuration settings for your account and applications. Within the Settings menu, you should see an option labeled App Settings. Select it, as this is where you can manage the finer details of your current projects. The interface here will likely display several options, providing you with control over different aspects of your application. Now, you'll need to scroll down to the very bottom of the App Settings page. Here, you'll find a crucial option: Delete App. This is the action that will initiate the deletion process of your Base44 project. Be mindful that clicking on this will permanently remove the project along with all associated data. It's worth pausing for a moment to ensure that this is indeed what you want to do. Once you're ready, go ahead and click Delete App. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your decision. The platform wants to make sure you understand that this action is irreversible. Confirm the deletion, and just like that, your project will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. Step by step, we've successfully navigated the process of deleting a Base44 project. Always remember to double-check before taking irreversible actions like this, ensuring no critical data will be lost. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.